Most welcome student. Today we are discussing the next part of the solid state. Here you must remember that here we are discussing the next part of solid state, and here the first one is how to find out the density of crystal. Clear? Density of crystal, and the formula is actually rho equal to z into m upon n naught into a cube. Rho means density, rho means density, z means rank. We know that 1 for SCC, 2 for BCC, and 4 for FCC. Clear? M means molecular weight, N naught means Avogadro's number. Clear? You must be that V means A cube means volume of cube. Suppose there are the three sides A, B and C. Then volume must be completed. It means the crystal is not in a cubic form. Then the volume is calculated by VABC. And alpha, beta, gamma as the interfacial angle is given. So ABC 1 minus cos square alpha, cos square beta, cos square gamma minus plus 2 cos alpha, cos beta or cos gamma. Clear? This is the actual formula of the volume. Now, suppose A is equal to B is equal to alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90. So formula is become a V is equal to A, B, C. If A equal to B equal to C, then the formula is V is equal to A cube. Yani ki this is a volume of the cube. Clear? So this is the density formula, very simple formula, and you may use this formula and find out the density or any one whatever is not given in this formula, means rank, molecular weight and volume means edge length. Clear? Now after that we see that what is the figurative explanation of arrangement of the atoms in FCC. Clear? So I am explaining with the actual picture. So you see that here I am write the plane of FCC, and here I am draw it arrangement of atom. Now see, suppose we see that how two molecules are arranged in that way, in this way. Arrangement is like that way: one molecule, two molecule, three molecule and four. These molecules are arranged like that way, whatever is shaded over here, and here we draw it. Now after that we are coming the second one. If you see the that one, If we see how to molecular arrange over here, so you find out like that way. This one. Now after that we are coming the next. That one. How to arrange molecule? One is at the center. I am draw it other color like that. And six molecules are surrounded to it. One, two, three, four, five, and the six. Clear? Now the last section is over here after that one. The last one I draw over here because page is not remaining. This one, like that way. And the molecules are arranged like a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So this is the actual arrangement of FCC, all type of layer molecules. Now, after that, we are starting the next one, packing of the crystal. Next heading is packing of crystal. The first one is one dimensional, like that way in a one line. Second one is two dimensional, this one. Now the third one is the main. This is a three dimensional. You must remember that in that one is a 52.4% is packing. Not so important to calculate how to it is will come. So this is a three dimension, two dimension packing per values. Now after that in a three dimensional packing, they are the coming the two. First one is SCP and second one is this is a CCP. This is also called FCC. Now we are coming the one of them. This is a HCP, hexagonal close packing. We draw the structure like that way. The molecules are arranged like that. You must remember that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 molecules over here, and one of them at a center, this one, and here is also in a bottom of them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a 6, and you must remember that one of them is in a bottom of, and three molecules are at a center. You must remember that only 1 by 6th part of the bottom and above molecules are participate in a formation of the hexagonal cubic unit shell. Clear? This is a 1 by 6th part. Clear? Now we discuss how to moving. This one is a in a center, and how the molecules are arranged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6 is over here. And also you must remember that three molecules are at a center. 1, 2 and the 3. Clear? And similarly in a downside you see that one of them is center, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. And similarly the 3 molecules are arranged in a above one is a unit shell. So what is the coordination of that one? Coordination number of this molecule is 12. 3, 3, 6 and 6 that one. So coordination number is this is 12. And how to arrange? Order is AB, A and B. This is also called a B. Clear? So this is called AB arrangement. Arrangement is AB type layer. Packing percentage, whatever we are calculating, and method of calculating the percentage combinations we in the next video. So that one is a coming in a 74 percentage per packing percentage, and void become this is 26%. Now after that we are coming the CCP. This is actually a FCC, and we know that they are actually arranged. This is a cubic, and here we put the this and this corner, then the structure is formed like that way. You see over here. One molecules, so this is that one and we name it A. And how many molecules are arranged over here? 1, 2, 3 and here 1, 2. Clear? So how many molecules are arranged? This is this layer we take over here. This is looking like that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here is, I'll draw very clearly. This is draw like that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 6. One of them is at center. This. Clear? Similarly, we take a this, that, and that. This next layer is this one. This is name is C, and here this is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and the one of them is a center. This is B, and similarly the last one is this. So that one is A. Coordination number of that one is coordination number is 12. Here 6 and here 6, so total 12. Coordination number is this is coming 12. We calculate it for that one, then also this is a coming coordination number 12. C this and B is above, so total coordination number is 12. You may find out the coordination number, that one is also only. Now after that we find out arrangement order is A, B, C, A, B, C. Packing percentage is 74% and void is 26%. Clear? So this is a CCP. In the next video, student, we are discussing the remaining part of that one, means the packing efficiency. This is the end of the video. Thank you and thanks a lot.